Lex Reads. So in today's video, I wanted to redo or reorganize my desk. I told you guys on my last chit chat video that I have been obsessed with Five Below because I've been obsessed with looking at, people's desks and the aesthetics and all of that for my home office and for my work office. And I wanted to change up a couple of things, mainly like the monitor. I wanted to have a little bit more space. I also wanted to share with you guys my setup for my desk. Finally feel that I have created a good space where I can, work and play. So before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so today we are going to be kind of redoing this desk a little bit. The major thing is the computer monitor. I told you guys that I have been obsessed lately with Five Below when I redid like my desk for work. And again, those little things, especially if you work in an office or corporate America, little things like that really do help you. And when I tell you last week is the first week that, I had, my new supplies, and I just loved it. I really did. Just typing on that and looking at all of the pink things, because of course pink is my favorite color. It really does make a difference. You guys know with this room I take even more pride and joy of really creating everything that I want, because this is my home library slash office. I do work 2 days a week here, because I work from home on Wednesdays and Fridays. So I utilize this, and then also I'm utilizing it even more because when I edit and do all of that, this is, what I use, obviously. But I wanted to make it a little bit more, I would say, compact if possible. This is a very small desk. I got this from Amazon, which everything I talk about, I will leave it down below. I got this from Amazon, and I think this is about is it 32 inches or something like that. I know, also love everything marble, and it works up wonderfully, you know what I mean? But I would say the only con is I don't have a lot of room because it is so short. But I think because I do have a lot of, things going on, meaning the monitor and the laptop and all that. Now I have to have that. I have to have two screens. That's just like, I just have to have that. Let me show you guys the monitor that I just got yesterday. Oh, I saw this monitor on, of course, TikTok. And this is it. It is a monitor. It's a compact monitor stand with charger. And the thing is, you can make it long like this, or you can make it shorter like this. And then, like I said, it comes with a charger. So it has the USB, it has USB-A and then the USB-C, which is perfect because I use both of those. So this is how it looks. And this comes in pink, it comes in black, and it comes in white. So wait, this is the front part. And then if you want to expand it, it's like that. So it's longer. I think I maybe can do, I might have to just do one, but we will see. And this was only $15. Again, I've had really good experiences with, I would say, with Five Below like tech. Now I remember one of the keyboards I had, it kind of cranked out a little bit, but it was only like $5. So I'm like, okay, I'm expecting that. The one that I did get from the office, I think I paid $10. And if it does, last, if it doesn't last a long time, I'm not going to be upset because I only paid $10 for it, and then I'll get something that's a little bit more sustainable. Like, for example, I've had this for almost 2 years now. This is a, what do you call that? A docking station. Again, this works perfectly. I only paid $5 for it. You just plug it up on the side of your, computer, and you're able to use everything. Also, this last stand actually got from Five Below too, which I would recommend this. This actually got from Target back in the day, which I love so much. Again, y'all know color schemes in this room is gold, pink, and white. Okay. By the way, you guys, I am on a high right now. I literally just finished the Revelations of Daphne Dion by Marbarka Keel. This is actually the book club pick for Lex Reads this month, and we are going to be having our discussion. And oh, I just cannot wait because I literally just finished it. And I actually also watched the interview with Oprah and her. So amazing. I mean, I already knew Mara Burker Hill was going to kill it because she's such an amazing, storyteller and screenwriter. So because of that, like this book felt like a movie. Hopefully, she continues to write because, and even like you could do a part two with this because you got closure, but I could have more of her story. But even if she doesn't do like more of Dion's story, like she's now going to become, if she continues to write, like one of my automatic buys because again, grew up watching Girlfriends. I love her works. Girlfriends is probably my favorite of hers. I haven't watched Mary Jane. I know my sister always talks about it. She's like, it's so good, you have to watch it. I've seen Forever and I really did enjoy that. I watched bits and pieces of The Game, but I like Girlfriends a little bit better. If you guys have not read that book by Mara Barker Keel, you need to read it. It's so good. Also, I got to figure out for this Mac Mini. I have the big one. How I'm gonna place this, which I might just do like I did before and put it in the back. I'm thinking about maybe another monitor. I mean, I've had this for a while and it has last. So I'm kind of like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But y'all, me and new things just goes hand in hand. But I probably don't need another monitor. I know I don't need one because it works perfectly fine. It'd just be more for like aesthetic. I want something like white. But, so let's see if I can use this, if I can extend it or use it like this. So it's supposed to go like this because I know the front. Also, it comes with a cord for the USB, um, or for the charging, stations. Wait, can I do it this? Will this allow me to? Oh, I don't think it's gonna work. I think. Wait. Uh, it might not. Okay, so it's looking like this. When I tell you it is like barely on it, I don't know. We're gonna see though. But let me finish putting everything back and yeah, we'll see. I might not need this. This might be a little bit too high. Wait, we go see. Now I have two keyboards because this is a PC, but I have the Mac Mini, and when I edit, I have to use the Mac keyboard. I don't like to use this. I like to use this for my PC. So usually I keep, when I'm editing, I'll put this right here, and then I'll have my mouse pad, and I use this mouse for editing because it's a little similar to the Mac one, um, the older Mac one. And then I use this one for my PC. Well, I could also put that right there too when I'm not using that. Okay. Now, what else I have on here? Of course, my little wristlet things or whatever. This have to have that. And then obviously a little what do you call it? Ports. You can put that back here. All right, now let's put this here. And then picture of my grandmother. Here are some sprays that, you know what, I really don't use in here because I use my candles, but I still want to have it on there, and a sanitizer. Of course, I want a sanitizer with the lamp. And yeah, you can put these on there. Okay. And I got my little Jesus statue. A colleague gave this to me. I always like to have cuticle oil. And here's the pencil holder. We just have a small one. You know what? This already, I would recommend this. Yeah, I would definitely recommend this. Okay, let me see. Yeah, wait. Okay, there we go. Now, I'm trying to see, do I like this so high, this part? Okay, now, I think we're going to put this right here. Y'all, when I tell you little changes like this, it's crucial for me, okay? Guys, now when you're working and used to working, you know, in a certain space, it has to be right. It really does. I have easy access to my little cord thing. I got this from Walmart. So yeah, lastly is the cord. Now, where's the little brick thing? So you plug it up. Now I might not need this anymore. So I use this one for my iPad and obviously this one for my phone. Oh, my thing needs to charge. Okay, but yeah, it works. This is perfect. Okay. And usually when I am working or editing, I'll have my iPad right here, or I can put it now up here. Okay. This is perfect. Oh yeah, you guys, this is worth it. This is definitely worth it. And look, I can put my iPad up here too while it's charging. I have room. Yeah, I would definitely get this. This is worth it, you guys. Okay, you guys, so that is it for my semi makeover of my desk. The fact that you have a charging station, you can also shorten it, you can make it, longer, and it's only 15 bucks. Come on now. Yeah, guys, that's all I have for you, and I'll be back with more Black Books. Bye.